Welcome to WordPress. How to disable Google Fonts on WordPress. First thing that comes in my mind is to change theme settings. Go to Appearance, Customize, look for Typography settings. I'll go to Global, Typography. From here you can change fonts for headings and paragraphs. After you're done here, save the changes. You can also use a plugin. Plugins, add plugin. Search for disable Google Fonts. We have this plugin. Install this plugin. Activate the plugin and it automatically disables Google Fonts. There is another performance optimization plugin. It's Autoptimize. Search Autoptimize, install and activate it, and then go to its settings. Here, click Extra and select Remove Google Fonts. For Google Fonts options, click Save Changes. So this is how you can disable Google Fonts from WordPress website. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.